Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this adorable Minecraft bee charm. So let's get started. First, I'm taking a ball of yellow clay and rolling it into a ball. Then I'm taking a lid to roll my clay into a cylinder shape. This technique helps roll more evenly. Roll your cylinder into a cuboid. Then make two thin stripes. Attach the stripes with the body. This is how the body of the bee should look like. I'm using a dotting tool to create an indent where I want this sting to go. Place some rectangles for the eyes. Then to make the bee look more cuter, you can add some blue squares. Attach two balls for the eyebrows. Then make some wings and attach them to the bee's body. And finally, our mini Minecraft bee is ready! Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for lots of more creative videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!